Well, here's a great product for the high-tech gardener. This is the Ryscam Smart Water Timer, and it is loaded with features. So, the Ryscam here doesn't look like much just looking at the actual timer. It is waterproof, but once you delve inside the app, now that is where you can see some nice features. This also can be run with a Google Assistant or Alexa, but simply just attach it right to your outdoor spigot next to your hose. It does include some plumber's tape in case, if it's ever leaking, you can take that off, put the plumber's tape on the actual timer extension. But next, what we'll just go inside the app and take a look. All right, we're inside the app right now of the Smart Sprinkler Timer. And here, first off, what I love is it gives a weather forecast above. So if you're on vacation, this is provided per your locale. So very nice, because this device has a rain delay feature. So if there's rain in the forecast, you could set it to not go off in its auto-programmed time due to rain. Now, super easy to set up here. There, we could do irrigation time. Let's say 7 minutes. That's how long it's going to be going. Our next run time, we could set that up. But let's go here. Weather delay. Well, that's the weather delay. So if there is any type of rain in the forecast, we could set that to 24, 48, or 72. But we'll cancel that. Normal schedule. So what you could do is you add, whatever time you want this timer to start watering. You could also choose your days. If you want to do Sunday and Wednesday, and start it at, let's say, 5:30 p.m. We'll just save that. Let's do 11 minutes. Confirm. So we're all ready to go. So now this timer is going to go on at 5:30, run for 12 minutes every Sunday and Wednesday. Easy as that, folks. And we can go back and, there's other options that we could add to this. We'll go back. But yeah, so anyways, lots of different features. Here is your irrigation history. So if you want to go back and see, did the timer go on and water, your grass? So here it will list all the different dates that it did run a cycle. I have not done it yet on this particular hose, so it's just showing the next one. So, but yeah, I really like, and then other things too. You can, once you have it programmed, you can also do just a manual water. That is also an option. Shows your battery life. So, and here's the gateway. That's the other device that's actually plugged into the wall. You plug the gateway into the wall, the valve controller into, onto your spigot. And it does include some plumber's tape too, but that's what it looks like. Easy to install, easy to pair. And now you go on vacation knowing your garden's going to be watered, and you can even watch the forecast.